Nakita niyo ba yung EDSA?
Yes, so I was 6 years old. Oh, but I did 86, di ba? I was 6 years old. And yung tatay ko kasi works for RPN9 that time. And di ba nagkaroon ng media lockout? So nawala siya ng trabaho. So yung time din na yun na naghirap kami. So, na-feel namin yung effect ng martial law. So anyway, so 1986, naalala ko sabi ng magulang ko, ng nanay ko na, oh, wala mo nang lalabas kasi nagkakagulo, ganyan-ganyan. Although, nasa Cavite kami medyo malayo. And then, yung tatay ko, ang kwento niya, kasama siya dun sa helicopter na nag-shutdown noong TV station kung saan magbo-broadcast do supposedly si Marcos. So, for some reason, hindi ko alam paano siya nakasama doon sa helicopter. Pero kasama siya doon sa helicopter and yun yung mga kwento niya sa akin. Nakita ko din yung transition from as a young kid. Nakita ko naman din na umayos din yung buhay namin after that. So, yun yung revelation.
So 40 years, after 40 years, sa tingin mo, gaano, yung experience mo, gaano sa, yung experience mo noon and after 40 years, gaano sa, ka-importante yung EDSA, people power?
Experience ko.
Gaano ka-importante na yun?
Importante.
Yung people power.
Ang hirap! PhD ako sa ano.
Okay.
For me, very important na pinabalik-balikan natin at sinasariwa kasi may chance na malimutan. Lalo na ng mga bago generation ngayon na wala namang memory, di ba? Ako, I have my own personal memory as a child. So, exposed ako sa news. Kahit na bata ka, for me, malaki impact. So doing certain things like this, celebrations, get-togethers, rallies, importante kasi nga, you need to relive energy. Pag nawala yung energy, parang nagiging kampante ang Pilipino. And I think one trait of Filipinos, yung pagiging complacent. Napansin niyo yun? Filipinos are very complacent at very forgiving or forgetful. Kumbaga parang, okay, hindi okay ngayon. Maya-maya, nakabalik ulit. Ang weird. This is something I'm trying to understand why Filipinos act the same way. And I feel like it has something to do with our generational trauma. Sorry, mahaba siya eh. So, we need to fix certain things para maayos natin, no? Hindi ko baka nagiging complacent tayo kasi tayo at tingin natin parang ay wala na pa tayo magagawa. Pero the people power revolution is a testimony and a proof that we once were able to do it. And the other revolutions before that, we were able to do it. No, we were able to beat Spain, America, etc. So, kaya eh. Basta kailangan natin na i-relive yung moments at yung energy of those times.
Last question, ano, message mo na lang for Filipino and government natin.
Sa akin, tuluyan ang diskurso, tuluyan ang laban. Pag nawala yung diskurso, nawawala yung feeling of urgency na may kailangan gawin. So, importante that the discussion continues so that our passion to continue the fight may